Alright guys, let's see how we can connect these devices to a PC to use with Unreal Engine 5.x. First of all, we need to download and install the Oculus PC app. You can find the link in the description below. The installation process is straightforward, but there is also a video guide on the same page. If you've installed it before, you can update it using the red notification if any updates are available. Installing updates is as easy as pressing a single button. Now, the first step is to navigate to the settings and open the General tab. The second item is Open XR Runtime. All we need to do is activate it. Next, go to the devices page. If there are no devices listed, simply press Add Headset. You may need to add a headset when installing the app. There are two ways to connect a MetaQuest headset to a PC, using a cable or a very fast wireless connection. Each method has its own set of instructions to guide you through the process. If you prefer, you can test your cable connection speed using the Test Connection button. In the devices page, you can see that your headset is connected. By clicking on the connected device, you can access a menu of settings. Feel free to adjust anything you want. But pay special attention to the graphics preferences option. Depending on your computer's power and the demands of Unreal Engine, which is a resource-intensive game engine, you may need to adjust the resolution and refresh rate. If you're unsure, you can simply try the automatic button. Once you're satisfied with your settings, just press Save and Restart. If you want more options, you can install Steam VR using the Steam Client app. However, I'll skip this part because it's not necessary for our purpose. There are different approaches to creating a VR project in Unreal Engine, but I recommend two methods. The first method is to create a new virtual reality project from scratch. This utilizes Unreal Engine's sample project as a starting point. You can import additional packages into this project or migrate files from other projects if needed. However, when you hit the play button, you'll notice that the game is running in non-VR mode, and the VR preview option is grayed out. To enable VR mode, you'll need to close Unreal Engine and put on your VR headset. Once you're wearing the headset, navigate to Quick Settings, then Quest Link. You have two options, wired or wireless, which is Airlink. If you're using a wire, select Rift and press Launch. For wireless, enable Airlink, then select the recognized PC and click Pair. You will see a code on both your headset and PC. Confirm it on the PC and press Continue on the headset. Now, you can press Launch. In this menu, you can select this icon to view your desktop. And if you have multiple monitors, you can choose which one to display. After opening your project inside Unreal Engine, you can change the play mode to VR preview. Now the second method is adding necessary features to an existing project to make it VR compatible. In the content browser window, press the Add button and select Add feature or content pack. In the new window, choose virtual reality and add it to your project. Some plugins may be required for proper functionality. Unreal Engine will prompt you to enable them. After enabling them, you'll need to restart the editor. Now you need a player start in your map. Open up World Settings window and simply change the Game Mode override to VR Game Mode. It is advisable to have a backup of your project before attempting the second method, as it may not work for all projects. For instance, in some projects like City Sample, this method caused Unreal Engine to crash as soon as I pressed play, even on an RTX 4090 and 64 GB of RAM.